Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you a song I played on my Instagram profile, at the cross. I'm going to show you what I did and I'm going to break down exactly what I played. Okay, that's it. So what we did, I was in the key of F. So the first thing I played in this was the F major 9, the 13th. The right hand was playing this, and the left hand had this. And you will notice that throughout I have the melody note being consistent. Second chord would be the right hand has this, and the left hand has this. So we have, and this one's a bit funny. So the right hand has this, sounds a bit weird on its own. And we add the left hand, right? Now we need to play. So after this, we go to the C sharp. So in context, so the right hand has that, the left hand has that, so we don't move the chord, only thing we move is the melody note. When we hit here, that's when we're moving. So we have, so that's the right hand. The left hand has this. That's the other one. And the right hand has that. So we have so far sorry. So when we play this, we don't move the chord for this note. Same chord. No, we need to play light. This is the chord for light. Right hand and the left hand. Now the other part. So we have, so that's the right hand, the left hand. So on the last note, we're going up to the F sharp. So the right hand has this and the left hand has this. Normally you would play, this could be an alternative if you don't want to play that. You could play this, which is a bit more common. So the right hand would play this, the left hand would play that, or up to you. this is a bit out there, up to you if you want to do that. But that, I'm basically reharmonizing. So I'm having the melody note here, and I'm finding some other chords that has this melody note at the top. So that's what I was basically doing right now. Alright, so what I actually played in the video was, right? So the other part, so the right hand plays this and left hand. So as a passing movement, I played some stuff in between. Right? So the chord is this. After this, we went to here, which is similar to the chord I played in the beginning. So the second chord is similar. So now this movement on the 6. So let's break that down. It starts on the A. With that chord on the 6. And the left hand has right? So now we're going to we're going to work out that part. So after we go here, so this is what I did. I changed the melody note a bit. So you normally play, but instead of playing the G, I played the A flat to give it something a bit unexpected. And this chord we have again, right hand and left hand. And this chord again. So this now on the 6, instead of playing the regular 6, I played this. Right? So the left hand is right hand is playing this, or you could play. So it's basically 2 notes, and the left hand has that. So where we are, right? So we need to finish it. So this is on the 2. So the right hand is playing this. And this is the left hand. And they both give you this. And this chord we have right here, a C7. So instead of ending on the 1, remember we're going to try to reharmonize it. So this is the ending note. So we're going to find some other chords that would have this F at the top. So let's experiment. It could end on the 2, it could end on the 4. It could end on the 6. It could end on the flat 7. But what I did was go to the C sharp. But I voiced it this way. So the right hand has this, the left hand has this. I know many of you won't be able to stretch that, so you can simply play, either you play the C sharp, F and G, or you play it that way, right? And that's it. Totally forget it now. So I forgot to show you those licks before. So it's basically again, so guys, that's basically it. So give it a shot and let me know in the comments as to what you think about it.